Okay, guys, now we are in this question number one. Okay, so question number one, it has got four parts. Okay, case one, case two, case three, and case four. Okay, so we know this particular entry from the previous chapter, that is issue of debentures. Okay, but still let us have a look at this. Okay, as revision. So question number one, case one. A Limited issues 20,000 13% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 3% to be redeemed at par at the end of the sixth year. Okay, so these debentures are to be redeemed at the end of sixth year. Okay, so no information has been provided. Okay, how this debentures are to be redeemed. So in this case, it will be assumed that these debentures are to be redeemed on lump sum. Okay, so the first entry when you issue the number of debentures, it is this way. Okay, bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Okay, because you can see here that the debentures, they are issued at a discount of 3%. So the full face value of each debenture is 100. Okay, so 3% of rupees 100 will be how much? 3. Okay, so 100 minus 3 will be how much? 97. Okay, so 97 into 20,000, it will be 19 lakh 40,000. Okay, and these debentures are to be redeemed at par. At par means you will redeem the number of debentures in its full face value, that is 20 lakh. Okay, so on time of redemption of debentures, you will make payment to debenture holders as rupees 20 lakh. Okay, so when you make the second entry, this debenture application and allotment account will be debited. Okay, and there was a discount of rupees 3 per debenture. So 3 into 20,000, it will be how much? 60,000. So this is your discount. Okay, so debenture application and allotment account debit, discount on debentures account debit to 13% debentures. Okay, so this is your second entry. Okay, you know this particular entry, so I'm closing this. Okay, now let us move on to case number two. Now in case number two, you can see that B Limited issues 10,000 13% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 3%. Okay, to be redeemed at premium of rupees 3% at the end of the sixth year. Okay, so this case number two, it is just like your case number one. Okay, the discount rate is also same, that is 3%, but these debentures are to be redeemed at a premium of 3%, you will pay which means you will pay premium on debentures. Okay, so 10 lakh is the full face value of all the debentures issued. Okay, so 3% of 10 lakh will be how much? 30,000. So you will make the payment to debenture holders 10 lakh 30,000. Okay, 10 lakh is the full face value of debentures including the premium. Okay, so you will make the payment to debenture holders 10 lakh 30,000. Okay, this is called redemption on premium. Okay, already the debentures are issued at discount also. Okay, so when we transfer this debenture application and allotment account, it will be written as, in the second entry, it will be debenture application and allotment account debit. Okay, loss on debentures account debit to 13% debentures account to premium on redemption of debentures. So how come this loss 60,000 is coming? Okay, this loss, it includes both a discount. Okay, there is a discount out here. Okay, there is a discount of 30,000. Okay, and again this premium money. Okay, so 30 plus 30, how much? 60. Okay, so this is how we are getting the loss on debentures. Okay, so this is your second entry. Now let us move on to third case. So here the debentures are issued at par. Okay, C Limited issues 15,000 14% debentures of rupees 100 each at par to be redeemed at a premium of 4% at the end of sixth year. So debentures, they are issued at par. Okay, that is the full face value. Bank account debit to debenture application and allotment 15 lakh. Okay, so these debentures are to be redeemed at a premium of 4%. So 4% of 15 lakh will be 60,000. So on time of redemption of debentures, you will make the payment to debenture holders the amount of 15 lakh 60,000. So this 60,000, it is the loss on issue of debentures. Okay. So hence this loss will appear in the debit side. You know, nominal account. Okay. The golden rule of nominal account: debit all expenses and losses. So this is a loss on issue of debentures. So this loss will be debited here. Okay. So this is your second entry, okay, for the case number 3. Now let us move on to the last case, case number 4. Here the debentures are issued, okay, delimited issues 12,000 15% debentures of rupees 100 each at a premium of 3% to be redeemed at par at the end of sixth year. So the debentures, they are issued at premium, but these debentures are to be redeemed at par. Okay, so you will make the payment of rupees 12 lakh to debenture holders. Okay, but you are making the issue at premium, okay, of 3%. So the first entry will be bank account debit to debenture application and allotment account. Okay, 12,000 into 103. Why this amount 103? 100 is the full face value plus 3 is the securities premium amount. Okay, so the debentures are issued this way. Okay, now when you transfer the amount, okay, this rupees 3, it will be transferred to SPR. Okay, so 3 into 12,000 will be 36,000, right? So this is your last entry for case number 4.